And the race on, Music King, fast to begin, run. Prospector run, then comes Dapitan. C alongside Spanish Lover, Native Blonde. Best of Biscuit and Home Run Last is the early trailer. Music King by Sam Tulengs, followed by Dapitan. Run Prospector Run, racing in third by Daryl Hussey, and running in fifth Spanish Lover as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Music King by Sam three lengths. Dapitan in second. C is racing in third, rushing a Spanish Lover. Run Prospector Run is running by Daryl Pip, and racing six by Sam 6 lengths. Native Blonde, Best of Biscuit, and Home Run Last still running at the tail of the field, passing the half-mile post. Music King is still leading by some 3 lengths. Dapitan in second. A Spanish Lover racing in third. In the middle, Hasi, and moving up by the rallies. Run Prospector Run. Rounding the fourth, Music King by only a length and a half. Dapitan is on the outside. Run Prospector Run as the action swing towards the long nice stretch run with Music King is still the leader. Dapitan in second. Run Prospector Run is running in third by Drell, and nearing the last 100 meters more to run. Music King back to 3 lengths lead. Dapitan in second, and finally number 6, Music King. Dapitan. Run Prospector Run, Spanish Lover, Native Blonde for your Fanta, Best of Biscuit, Hasi, Home Run Last comes last.